Alright, we're going to do our last elimination problem here, and this is probably going to be the toughest one. We have one extra step, just like we had the last one. What we're going to look at is, with elimination, we're trying to cross out things that are alike. We want to make sure, or things that are completely the opposite. So if we have a positive here, we want a negative here, or if we have a negative here, we want a positive here. So we have to look at closely what our equation says and what we can eliminate and what we can change. So we have a 3x and a 5x. That might be tough to change. We'd have to multiply both of them by two different things. But if we take a look at the y, we have a y and a 4y. Well, the opposite of 4y would be a negative 4y or minus 4y. And I think if we can change this y to a minus 4y, I think we can use the elimination method. I think it would be easier to do this, to change just one rather than both. So let's just change one. So we're going to multiply this top part up here to get a negative 4y. We're going to multiply by negative 4y on the top. So watch as we do this. We're going to multiply this whole top side by negative 4, and we're going to leave the bottom part the same. So negative 4 times 3x gives us a negative 12x. Negative 4 times a positive y is going to give us that negative 4y, which is what we were looking for. That's what we wanted. Negative 4 times 9 gives us a negative 36. And we didn't change this one, so we're going to go ahead and just bring it down. Now we're going to draw our line and get started from there. This step is usually where we falter, so make sure you understand why I went from why I multiplied this whole top side by negative 4, so I can get this and eliminate it, because that's what we're using, the elimination method. We want to eliminate, so that means we need to get terms that will eliminate. So here will be a negative 7x equals a negative 14. Again, just kind of combining. We go negative 7x equals negative 14. So that means x equals negative 7 divided by negative 14. So we're going to divide both sides by negative 7. We get a positive 2. Alright, now we're going to use that 2 and plug it in to one of our original. Let's plug it into this one right here, since we didn't change it. Let's go ahead and plug it in there. So we had 5x, but x is 2 now, so we're going to plug in 2 plus 4y equals 22. So we need to multiply first. 10 plus 4y equals 22. Now we need to subtract by 10 on both sides. 4y equals 12. Divide by 4, y equals 3. Positive 3. So our answer should be written as 2, 3. Remember, because we look at it as x and y. That would be our final answer. Again, kind of coming back to here, make sure you understand why we multiplied by a negative 4. Look back at example 3, why we multiplied by a negative 1, so we can get those terms matched up to be able to eliminate them in our process. That is it for elimination, and we'll move on to the next topic.